A cute rabbit named Snowball lived in a lush meadow. Snowball loved munching on fresh clover and hopping around. One day, Snowball discovered a mysterious scent nearby. Following it, Snowball found an adorable girl named Lily. Lily had been exploring the meadow with her blue bonnet. She was fascinated by the sight of a fluffy white rabbit. Snowball, initially shy, approached Lily slowly with curiosity. Lily gently extended her hand, offering a small carrot. Snowball sniffed the carrot before nibbling it happily. Lily giggled, enjoying the delightful company of her new friend. The two spent the afternoon playing among the wildflowers. Snowball showed Lily hidden corners of the vibrant meadow. Lily and Snowball formed an unexpected, enduring friendship. As the sun set, Lily promised to return the next day. Every day, their bond grew stronger through shared adventures. Snowball and Lily discovered the joy of kindness and connection.